Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. Many refrigerators have replaceable water filters that reduce impurities of tap water. They purify the water before it reaches the ice machine and water dispenser. Water filters have a limited lifespan and need to be replaced every 6 months or after filtering 1,000 liters of water. In this episode, we'll learn how carbon filtration works. Then I'll show you how to install a new water filter. Clean drinking water is provided by a city's water treatment program. The source water is screened, filtered, and safely disinfected. Even with proper treatment, tap water may still contain trace minerals, organic matter, and chemical residue. This is why the taste will vary between cities, as the source water and treatment are different. Refrigerator water filters help remove these impurities through activated carbon filtration. Thousands of tiny pores scattered over a large surface area act like a magnet, absorbing any remaining contaminants. This also improves the taste. Over time, contaminants will saturate the filter, reducing its effectiveness. Once fully saturated, a water filter can no longer absorb contaminants. Also, mold can develop inside the filter, which is why they only have a 6-month lifespan. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models. To know which water filter you'll need, enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From here, you'll see a parts diagram with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. Before anything else, it can be good to shut off the ice maker to prevent it from drawing any water. The water filter is often near the top of the fridge. As well, it might be located behind the kick plate. In many cases, the filter is hidden behind a cover. Simply press the tab to open the cover. Some water filters will be removed by twisting counterclockwise. With other models, you'll have to push the filter in for it to pop out. In some cases, you'll have to press a button that will release the filter. Remove any caps or covers that are protecting the new filter. Now align the filter in the housing and push it into place. In some models, you'll have to turn the filter clockwise until it locks. If needed, close the cover. Next, turn on the ice machine. Finally, run water through the filter for about 3 minutes to help flush out any air trapped in the lines. If you like this and want to see more tutorials and informational videos, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit an AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.